Top 3 antioxidant supplements to protect aging skin from the sun. Number 1 is vitamin C. Protect your skin from sun damage to keep it looking youthful. Here are top 3 supplements you should consider. Well, the first is vitamin C, the superstar antioxidant known for its skin benefits. Vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals caused by UV exposure and pollution, which are actually responsible for skin aging. It also boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. And not only does it help prevent sun damage, it also brightens your complexion and fades dark spots. Whether you get it from citrus, fruits, or supplements, make sure you're getting enough vitamin C to protect your skin from the inside out. Next is vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that works hand in hand with vitamin C. Vitamin E is known for its ability to protect skin cells from oxidative stress caused by the sun exposure. It helps repair the skin's natural barrier, keeping it hydrated and smooth. And this vitamin also helps play a role in reducing inflammation, redness, and especially from sunburn. Adding vitamin E to your daily routine can support your skin's healing process and keep it soft and supple. We have a video here about natural vitamin E, why you need it, and the best sources if you're more interested in it. Last but certainly not least is Astaxanthin, a lesser-known antioxidant that's a game changer for skin protection. Derived from microalgae, Astaxanthin is actually incredibly potent, many times stronger than vitamin C and E combined. It has the unique ability to penetrate the skin and neutralize UV-induced free radicals. Astaxanthin helps reduce fine line wrinkles and age spots and improves skin elasticity. This is a very powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and support your skin's overall health, making it a must-have for supplement and sun protection. Now, how do we incorporate antioxidants into your routine for this maximum skin protection? The key is consistency. Vitamin C, vitamin E, astaxanthin supplements daily to ensure your skin has the protection it needs from the inside. But remember, no supplement can actually replace sunscreen. Always apply broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Together, these antioxidants, the sunscreen, they can help provide the ultimate defense for your skin. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe for more tips in maintaining beautiful, radiant skin. Stay protected. I'll see you in the next time.